Hello, welcome to our YouTube 8VK channel. Please stay tuned and get the latest news and updates around the world. Nagaland Indigenous Peoples Forum invites Kuki Inpi Tengnoupal for a symposium on India-Myanmar border issue. Nagaland Indigenous Peoples Forum has invited the Kuki Inpi Tengnoupal to participate in a symposium on India-Myanmar border issue, which will be organized at Dimapur on February 16th. The symposium will be organized with the theme Reconsidering the Removal of Free Movement Regime, FMR, and Border Fencing, a holistic approach to India-Myanmar relations. The key issues to be addressed in the symposium include historical and political illogicality. To examine the historical and political context surrounding the FMR and border fencing, emphasizing its contradiction with India's Neighbourhood First and Act East policies. Misconceptions and Reality. Critically assess the reasons cited for border fencing, such as containing conflict spillover, curbing illegal trade, tackle insurgencies, address illegal migration, and highlight the misconceived nature of these justifications. Alternative solutions. Discuss alternative measures and changes in laws and policies that the Government of India could implement to address the concerns raised, while fostering positive relations with the neighboring country. UN Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People. Examine how the principles outlined in the UN Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples could guide and inform a more inclusive and respectful approach to the border issue. Representatives from northern states and academia are also expected to participate in the symposium. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and also do share your feedback in comment section below.